In this video, I'll be showing you how to remove passkey on Roblox. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, removing a passkey from your Roblox account on iPhone is a two-part process. You have to delete the link inside the Roblox app and then remove the actual credential from your iPhone's iCloud keychain so it stops appearing as a login option. So what you want to do is open up your Roblox application and then on the bottom right, tap these three little dots. Then scroll down and go over to settings and then go to account info, which is at the very top. Scroll down until you find login methods. So once you find login methods, if you see any passkey, just tap the trash icon next to it and a pop-up will ask for confirmation, then tap delete key. Then what you want to do is open up the settings application on your iPhone. Scroll down and then tap passwords. So we're just going to go ahead and find that right now. And if you can't find that, what you can do is swipe down on the bottom of your screen, then type in passwords. It's going to open up the passwords application. Then just go over to passkeys. And if you see a Roblox passkey right here, all you got to do is go ahead and remove like so. And it says this passkey will be moved to recently deleted. After 30 days, it will be permanently deleted. So that's literally it. Once you go ahead and try and delete a passkey, it's going to be permanently deleted and then you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel too, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something you didn't know about yet.